What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So right here we have this white 350Z that's going to be getting a full color change and some engine bay bling. Look at this thing, full of carbon fiber, OEM style carbon fiber wing, carbon fiber over fenders, carbon fiber rear lip, I think you call it, carbon fiber roof, carbon fiber roof spoiler, carbon fiber pillars, carbon fiber door handles, carbon fiber mirrors, carbon fiber door hand holders, carbon fiber fenders, carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber eyelids, and then we are going to be replacing these fiberglass ones with carbon fiber as well. Carbon fiber intake inlet. Definitely a lot of carbon fiber. Apart from the color change, this car is going to be getting a polished timing cover, polished throttle body, and polished solenoids. He's going to be getting these things as well. So he's going to be getting the polished timing cover, polished those sensors, and the polished throttle body. So let's open this up. It's got the hood pins on here. This is how the engine bay is currently looking like. I had previously done a wire tuck on this car. So we got rid of the engine harness that goes all the way across. We got rid of the alternator harness, the headlight harness, this headlight harness. So all this has been cleared off. For now, for this transformation, we'll be doing a quick time lapse, and then we'll do the color change. We're also going to be doing the pulleys and the brackets all in chrome. George's going to take care of that. So let's get to it. I'm gonna move this car right here where Ruby is, because it's better to, if I have oil spills, I don't want them seeping through under this. So it's easier to clean them up if they're on solid ground instead of this drip through thing, and I don't really have any drainage, so yeah, avoids the mess. So we're gonna move this car right here. We're gonna get Ruby out of the way, put her right here, and we're gonna get started on the car right here. All right, so we got the parts back now. We got everything chromed out, all the idler pulleys, brackets, power steering bracket as well, crank pulleys is chromed out as well. So we got the car on, turned it on. We don't have the intake on, so it's kind of idling a little bit rough because of the MAP sensor. But other than that, we are just checking for any oil leaks, making sure the timing cover is properly put back together. And so far, we got no oil leaks. Hell yeah. There we have it, startup. No fluids leaking anywhere. design. No oil, no coolant. All right, so now that we got this thing fully back together engine wise, we're gonna have to start stripping apart the rest of the car to get it ready for wrap. So we gotta like get this headlight off, remove the hood pins because we're gonna be wrapping the carbon hood, leaving the vents in carbon. What else? Mirrors need to come off, weather strips, door handles, wide body needs to come off as well. We got the wing that's gonna come off. This cap that was an antenna deleter or whatever. He deleted the antenna. But other than that, let's get started stripping the car apart. Alright guys, so that's going to be the end of today's video. I had to cut it a little bit short at the end because I didn't have enough time to record. I'm on my way to LA. But again, thank you guys for supporting the channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.